In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in Hostinger. If you no longer need a website or you're simply cleaning up your hosting account, Hostinger makes the deletion process pretty straightforward. That said, you'll want to be careful because deleting a website can permanently remove its files, settings, and connected content. So before you continue, make sure this is the exact website you want to remove. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one hosting plan or multiple websites. This helps avoid deleting the wrong site by accident. From the main dashboard, click on the Websites section. This is where Hostinger shows all of the websites connected to your account. After opening it, you'll see your list of websites displayed on the screen. If you have several sites, look carefully and find the specific one you want to delete. Once you've found the correct website, go to that website's options area and click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions and settings related to that site. After clicking it, look for the Delete option and select Delete. At this stage, Hostinger may show you a confirmation message. Read that message carefully before proceeding. It's there to make sure you understand that removing the website can't always be undone. If you're completely sure, confirm the deletion to continue. After that, Hostinger will begin removing the website from your account. Depending on the platform and what's attached to the site, this process may take a little time. Once it's completed, the website should no longer appear in your websites list. A quick tip here. If your goal is only to take the site offline temporarily, you may want to explore other options first, such as disabling access or changing settings instead of deleting it entirely. But if you're certain you want it gone, using the three-dot menu and the delete option is the direct way to do it. And that's it. That's how to delete a website in Hostinger. Just log into your account, open the Websites section, find the website you want to remove, click the three dots and choose Delete.